VEO 3 is powerful. But let's be real, it's expensive. What if I told you there's a free alternative that gives you stunning AI videos without breaking the bank? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get it. No subscription, no watermarks, and it's free forever. Simply go to Google and type Dreamina CapCut and click the first link. First step, click Sign In or create an account if you haven't already. You'll need an account to unlock the free video tools, so don't skip this part. Now, choose the Continue with Google option. Pick your Gmail account, give the site permission, and boom, your account is ready in seconds. Now that you're signed in, let's create something. Click on the Generate Image button. You'll see a box where you can write or paste your prompt. Describe what you want the AI to create. Next, choose your aspect ratio, like square for Instagram or vertical for TikTok. When you're ready, just hit Create, and the magic begins. Isn't it nice? In just seconds, the AI gives you a clean, high-quality image. No watermark, no fees, and it looks professional. Okay, now let's try creating a video. But wait, have you noticed something? Video and AI avatar options aren't highlighted. That's because Dreamina by CapCut isn't available in our country yet. So right now, we're not allowed to create videos directly from this platform. But don't worry, I've got a simple trick to bypass this and unlock it. Here's how to fix it. We're going to use a free VPN. On your browser, go to Google and type Google Chrome extension. Click on the first link, that's the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Free VPN and hit Enter. You'll see a bunch of options. Pick one with good reviews. I recommend this VPN. Click Add to Chrome and install it. I've already added mine, so I'll just turn it on now. Make sure you choose USA as your location. Once it's active, refresh the page and you should now see the video and AI avatar options available. Now it's time to create our video. You have two options here. Upload an image and turn it into a video, or use the text-to-video option. For this tutorial, we're going with text-to-video, so I've pasted my prompt right here. Then I click Create. Just give it a few seconds. In less than a minute, the video is ready. And the best part, this is 100% free, forever. You've just learned how to use a free VEO 3 alternative. It's easy, powerful, and won't cost you a thing. If this helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more free tools. Turn on notifications and drop your questions in the comments. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching. See you next time.